Welcome this video. Provide fan panel a complete gas to create a provide outdoor and privacy is one of the most developed functional in an outdoor space, whether you live in a convenient neighborhood or a ruling area. Privacy fence panel often an idea solved for homeowner how what to enjoy their yard outdoor field explore their panel not only enhance but also to the overall aesthetic security and value of your process. This comprehensive gas cover everything you need now to about privacy fence panel from type and material to install and main interest type. What are privacy fence panel? Privacy fence panel are solved or select or fence design to block the view into your yard or publish. Unlike traditional pick run fence privacy panel are sold or in little or not space benefit then can be professional custom build and some in various material color and space. Benefit of privacy fence panel enhance privacy. This promotes purple posts of then fence in the keep prey eyes outer. Whether your host or backyard, simple relax French panel, create select atmosphere, red north. French help or neighborhood noise create a quality. Wind and sun protective. High French panel again stream white sunlight protective patio gardening stick area interactive security. A wall built bright fence can determinant keep child pets safe inside the yard. Static value. Modern design material can compare complement with landscape and architecture. Popular material for privacy fence panel. Each material have its drawing depend on your budget. Main interest and keep type of privacy fence panel design. Salt fence panel. Those fence of various board placed together for maximize privacy idea for backyard bamboo or nice state. Showdown wood fence. Alternate board on side create a steam design and some vibrant board. Little top fence. A salt level fence with a decoration little at the top for add style value. Harmonium salt fence. modern and sleek. Often a contemporary look can be full pride of space, careful decoration fence, cut metal fence or architect wood design can be used as chaptering